Hi, and welcome to the Credit Home Watch Edition software QRS Reporting App, how to install the app. So the first thing you do is you need to activate your account through the credit system. So either an admin or a manager will invite what we call the reporter, and that's the person in the field that does the reports. And that could be an admin, a manager, or a reporter. And first thing is you'll receive an email. You'll click on the link in the email to activate your account. You'll create a password twice, and then it'll automatically log you into your dashboard. Once you've done that, then you can come to either, in this case, we're talking about iOS. You can download the QRS Reporting App. So type in search in the App Store. Once you found it, you download it. Once it's downloaded, then you select open, and it's going to ask you if you'd like to send you notifications. We do have push notifications for assignments and that, so we'd like you to allow those. And it's going to also ask, give you some information here. We're happy to hear your thoughts. So this is an Instabug reporting program that we have installed so that if we have issues. So the first thing it's going to ask you for your subdomain, and I'm going to explain how to find that right away in this video. So here we are. You go to your credit dashboard where you activated your account, and you're going to see that we have a domain called credithomewatch.com, and that's our domain. And each company that signs up either puts a prefix in front of an acronym or their full company name. In this case, ours is NewCo. So the actual domain is credithomewatch.com. The subdomain is newco.credithomewatch, and that's what distinguishes your business different from anybody else's, or the person that you're working for. That's their subdomain. You only need the prefix in front of credithomewatch.com. So now what we'll do is we'll go back here and we're going to type in the company, which is NewCo, which is the subdomain. And then we're going to enter our email and password that we use to activate our account. And a password. And once you've done that, and you just come down here and hit sign in. Okay? And now it's bringing you to the home screen. The very first thing you need to do once you've activated your account on the QRS Reporting App is go to the settings down here in the corner, and I want you to select Refresh Checklist. And what you're doing here is you're pre-installing all of your clients' information, their site, and CRIDs. So in the future, anytime that you make a change or a modification to a client site or CRID, or you add a new client site or CRID, you should come into the QRS app, any of yourself or your staff or anybody that's a reporter, and select Refresh Checklist. It pre-installs all of that information in the back end in the event that you arrive at a client site and you have very low data signal and you don't have internet. And when you scan the QR code, it's obviously going to start looking for the latest update from the server. But if it can't connect to the server, you at least have the most recent updated version by refreshing checklist. Once that's done, hit OK. Now you're ready to start, and we'll cover more information about how to use the app in following videos. Thank you again for choosing Credit Home Watch.